everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Tokyo Raven Part 1 on Blu-ray. Part 1 of Season 1, at least. So there's the cover. There's the spine. The back. And the other spine. Take the slip cover off. Get some nice artwork there. There you go again. Open it up and you get disc 1 of the DVD is 1 through 7. And then flip it and you get DVDs, which has, episodes 8 through 12 plus extras. Then you get the Blu-rays. And then you get the reversible cover. So this has been Tokyo Raven on Blu-ray Part 1 of Season 1. Thank you and have a wonderful day.